There is a new trend emerging about nurse practitioners getting the right to write prescriptions, more commonly known in the medical industry as prescriptive rights.
However, some groups, including the powerful Medical Association of Jamaica, are against it, while the Health Ministry is pushing to implement it. But should nurse practitioners be given that right?
TVJ Shamela Mitchell explores the issue in a series called Prescriptive Rights.
Each day they get up, show up, and attend to those who are sick and in need of care.
What brought you here today?
Well, today I came because come to check on my pressure, my blood pressure, my thyroid.
This is a Type 5 health center in Montego Bay, St. James. It's one of over 330 health centers in the island. Most times, these health centers are run by nurse practitioners. These are nurses who are trained at a higher level than the regular nurse.
Tell me a quick run-up of what you had to eat this morning.
These nurse practitioners not only assess, they also advise patients.
You need to understand this morning that although you, in your essence, you have salt the saltfish, the salt is still there.
Then, like a medical doctor, they diagnose and prescribe.
So I am reordering your medication. So you have high blood pressure and you're currently taking enalapril 20 milligram by mouth twice per day.
Yeah.
And you're also taking HCTZ.
However, there's a challenge.
I will sign the prescription, but my colleague, the medical doctor, will have to get the docket and review it before your prescription is signed, because if you present at the pharmacy, you cannot get the medication until it is signed by a medical doctor.
And that could take some time.
I don't get in time, and there are times that after she prescribe it, I have to come back the next day, and there are times when she cannot make it. So I am the one who's suffering.
But Miss Fowler is not the only one affected. Ephra Smith lives in Amity Hall, St. James. That is about 45 minutes from the health center. Mr. Smith uses a crutch because he lost a limb 7 years ago because of his diabetes. But in addition to his diabetes, he has several other medical ailments. According to Mr. Smith, whenever he goes to the Amity Hall Health Center, he has to wait days, sometimes weeks, before he gets his medication.
I just wait until it goes back to Type 5 and the doctor see it, and then whenever the person is coming up, because there's a person that they have come up every third Tuesday or whatever, when he's coming back, if he's coming back the Tuesday. Luckily, if I go on a Monday and the person is coming back the Tuesday or the Wednesday, then they take up back the prescription for me.
And this can be costly too.
We have to pay sometimes 2 fares to go to get medical treatment.
All this has left many patients in rural Jamaica very unhappy.
Why is it that we have to wait so long for them to send us for the doctor to see what she's doing, when we can tell you that she has been doing a wonderful job?
Join us tomorrow when we look at the challenges nurse practitioners face and the impact it has on the country's healthcare system. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.